Hey, Rita's Eaters. How are y'all doing on this? I don't know if it's cool where you guys are, but it is cool where I am down here in Dallas. And I've cooked a couple of times this week things that's already on the channel, except for those burgers, chicken burgers. And my son says that the video will be ready either tonight or tomorrow night. He is working, you guys, so we're just trying to find the balance for him continuing to edit my videos. I want him to teach me, so I'm hoping that that's coming up. But I just want to show y'all something. This is some canned chicken noodle soup, home style chicken noodle soup. It is the store brand. I got this from Tom Thumb. Okay, and look how good it looks, you guys. Now let me tell you what I did to make this a meal, and you guys can do the same thing that I did. I started me a broth, and I just used some chicken broth, and I seasoned my chicken broth with minced onion, minced garlic, some other spices like oregano and Italian seasonings, and then I let that come to a boil, and then I put these cans of chicken soup, home style chicken soup in there. And I have this stuff called chicken base and beef base. I also added that just to give me a little thicker base. And you guys, this stuff is so good. I added, but you can see it's got some good vegetables. I didn't put any vegetables in there. There's one little corn. I seen one little corn kernel in here earlier. There's some carrots and celery, you know, the usuals. And what I did to make this more substantial and more of a meal, because we're gonna eat this for dinner, you guys, is I put some more, about a cup full of dried noodles in here, some egg noodles that I had open already. I threw that in there, and I threw some canned chicken in here, just to make sure we all get us a good amount of chicken in there. And I did 2 cans of canned chicken, and this is 5 cans of soup. So you figure that out, you know, what that would mean at your house. And you guys, I also did this. This is some bread, just some baguettes from the bakery department. They have at Tom Thumb, y'all, they have the bread that I lose my mind over. It is Cheesecake Factory's what is it called? Baguette, the wheat baguettes, y'all. Oh my God, I can eat a whole thing of this bread. So I have mixed some white baguettes with those wheat baguettes, you guys. And all I'm gonna do to these baguettes is I'm going to pour some melted margarine that I seasoned, y'all. All I seasoned it with was the usual seasoning, and with some parsley flakes. And I'm just gonna pour it right over this bread. So let me try to do this and keep y'all in view at the same time. Let's see, here we go. I'm just gonna pour it down over there, let it kind of drizzle over the bread. And then I'm just gonna put this in the oven for like 5 minutes. I'm not gonna even come out of this kitchen because I don't want this bread to get hard. I just want it to get crusty and yummy. That's all I want it to do. And this is just gonna help it. So I'm gonna put this in the oven for like 5 minutes, you guys. And then we're gonna have a pretty darn delicious meal. And this probably took me about 30 minutes to make. So you're not doing nothing but opening up some cans and pimping them out. You know, I love to pimp some food out. So that's what I did with this. This is canned home style chicken noodle soup. I added some broth to this and some seasonings and 2 cans of canned chicken. 2 cans of chicken chunks. And then I just bought some baguettes, some wheat ones and some white ones. And I sliced them. And we're going to use this to sop up all that goodness, you guys. And it's going to be a meal that they're going to be like, oh, mama, this is good. Like I did something. They probably think I did something. They don't need to know everything. You know, they don't need to know this is canned soup. I don't know if they'll figure it out or not because I tasted it and it tastes amazing. So I just thought I'd give this little idea for this week, you guys. Something delicious and quick for the cold nights that we're in for. I'll talk to you guys later. Hopefully that video will post with those burgers tonight. If not tonight, for sure tomorrow night. You guys have got to eat that burger. Y'all have got to do that for your game nights. You got to do it for your weekend nights. You got to do it for your nights, honey. You just got to make it. And I know y'all are waiting for it. And it's coming, okay? I'll see you guys. I love you. Bye.